Hi everyone, this is Miss Monday. There was a question on the homework about part 4, number 3, the last column. So let's try C first. So in C we have 3y squared minus 12y minus 36. And I'm going to try to first factor out the greatest common factor and then second factor the simple trinomial. So I can see all three of these terms are divisible by 3. So I'm going to factor out a 3. And what I'm left with is y squared minus minus 4y minus 12. Okay, and now inside, this is a simple trinomial that I'm going to factor. I'm going to say what multiplies to get negative 12 and adds to get negative 4, which would be negative 6 and positive 2. So for my final answer, I put the 3, don't forget about it, y minus 6, y plus 2, okay? All right, let's look at letter F. Letter F is a little bit confusing because it has 2 variables. So, but it's not too bad. So we have 9x squared plus 54xy plus 45y squared. So all 3 of these terms are divisible by 9. So I'm going to factor out a 9, and I'm left with x squared plus 6xy plus 5y squared. Okay, now let's forget about the variables for now, and let's think about what multiplies to get 5 and adds to get 6, which would be 5 and 1. So don't forget about the 9. Then we're going to put x plus 5, x plus 1. And to get the y squared in the back, we need to put a y in the back. But don't worry too much about that y. I don't think you'll have a lot of problems with 2 variables. Okay. All right, so now let's do letter I, which says 4x squared plus 4x minus 48. Again, we're going to factor out the GCF, and the GCF will be 4. And we're left with x squared plus x minus 12. So we have to think of what multiplies to get negative 12 and adds to get 1, because there's an imaginary 1 in front. And so that would be 4 and negative 3. Okay, so don't forget about the 4 on the outside, and we have x plus 4 times x minus 3. Okay. And then finally, letter L, we have 7c squared d minus 35cd squared plus 42d cubed. So all of these, I can factor out a 7 and a d, because all of them have a 7 and a d. So I'm going to divide out a 7 and a d, and I'm left with c squared minus 5cd plus 6d squared. So again, this has 2 variables, but that's okay. We need to think what multiplies to get 6 and adds to get negative 5. That would be negative 6 and 1. So we have 7d, c minus 6, c plus 1. And to get the d in the back, we're going to put a d back there. Okay? So I hope that helps everyone. Have a wonderful day.